Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharice. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can become a part of the family. So guys, in today's video we're going to be switching it up. We are going to be talking about 7 signs that you are in a toxic relationship. You either clicked on this video because you want to know if you're in a toxic relationship, or you want to know what signs to look out for. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first sign is like the most obvious sign. You are being physically, emotionally, mentally, financially abused. Now we all know any forms of abuse is a no-no in relationships and just in society in general. If you are someone who is going through this, I would suggest you get away as soon as possible. Any form of abuse is not good for you. It's not healthy. Get out of it, girl. The second sign, you are not happy in your relationship. Now that is a given. If it doesn't bring you joy anymore and it feels like it's such a burden, then I would suggest you just let it go. Suggest finding happiness within yourself, because whenever you depend on someone else for your own happiness, like if that person is not around, like you don't know how to feel. Like you can't be happy if you don't have that person around. You want to be as independent as possible when it comes to your happiness, because at any point in time that person can not be in your life anymore, and you want to be able to maintain that happiness that you felt with the person by yourself. So focus on that. So the third sign is they strip away like your self-esteem, your self-confidence. If they are constantly tearing you down and making you feel like you are not enough for them, then baby, they are not for you. Because they should make you feel like the perfect person. Like even if you know you have flaws, I mean we all have flaws, nobody's absolutely perfect, but that person should not be tearing you down. Like they should help build you up. They should help to make you feel like you are a better person. You know what I mean? Like you both help each other. And if that's not happening then in your relationship, then it's toxic, baby. It's toxic. And like I said, we don't need that for our mental health. We don't need that, period. We don't need it. We need to be flourishing and being our best selves. So the fourth sign is they're very controlling, they're very jealous. If they basically want to control every aspect of your life, like you feel like you can't make a decision on your own, like you feel like you have to consult this person, or you know, a relationship is a joint union. So yeah, you should ask your partner for advice on certain stuff, but you know, it doesn't mean you're asking permission. It's like you need feedback. So if that person is not allowing you to make any type of decision on your own, we don't need an overly jealous person. Like it's okay to be jealous, like it's okay to be territorial. When it comes to a point where it's literally like taking over your relationship, then you guys don't need to be together. Sign number 5, everything is a competition. Not all for a friendly competition, but when it comes to the point where this person is trying to belittle you and be the superior one all the time for everything, then no, that's not healthy. That's not friendly competition. That is them trying to basically keep you beneath them, and we don't want nobody that's trying to keep us below them or nothing like that. We growing together. Like we are a partnership, we are equals. So it shouldn't be a matter of you need to be good at more things than I am. No, it doesn't work like that. Like so if that person is making you feel like everything is a competition in a relationship. Sign number 6, you have stopped taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself, you don't do the things that you normally do anymore. You are so consumed with this person that you forgot about the most important part, and that is self-care. Make sure you are taking care of yourself. Like take your days to, I'm so sorry if you hear the fireworks in the background, but just take time to pamper yourself and be cute and look cute, and you know, keep yourself groomed and nice and sexy. Like, don't lose yourself because you started dating someone, you know. The seventh step is your family and your friends are concerned for you. So, alright, yeah, it's okay if one person doesn't like your significant other, but if you got like 5, 6, even 4 people telling you the same thing over and over, you gotta look at it as like you need to take that blindfold off, or whatever is blocking your vision from you really truly realizing what's going on in your relationship, to understand that this person could possibly be using you, and what these people are saying, you know, could be right. Like, you have to take into consideration like what other people say also. You know, like sometimes people will have opinions of your significant other and it could not mean anything, but if you got multiple people and like all your family members are saying the same exact thing, then I would kind of be a little bit wary about it, and I would analyze the relationship a little bit more and make the big decision of you realizing that this relationship is not for you. Do what's best for you and make sure you're taking care of yourself, and don't hold on to something that needed to be let go a long time ago. You need to be flourishing, okay? So I will be doing more relationship advice type videos. If you guys do like it, leave some comments down below and let me know like what type of videos you want to see, because I'm going to be doing a whole segment of relationship, like do a playlist for relationship advice and talk about like more grown topics. So hit my DMs on Instagram, follow me on Instagram guys at Miss Reese Baby, and DM me some good relationship advice questions or topics that you want me to talk about. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys and turn your bell on. I will see you in the next video. Bye.